It's got,
Show me.
it's got nature. You never know what you're going to find. Super exciting. Kirsten and I are walking along, and first we see what is part of obviously a bee home. The beautiful hexagonal little chambers they make to lay their eggs. And when you see that, you have to start thinking, I think a skunk has dug up a yellow jacket nest. So I looked, and there was a hole. And actually, a yellow jacket came out of the hole while we were here, so it didn't get them all. Skunks dig up yellow jacket nests. They stomp on them, eat them, and leave this wreckage behind.
What's
and
behind you?
Bonus, we found some skunk scat. So this is like a natural history, amazing thing. You know what this is going to be? It's going to be a nature mystery.
So just look at this skunk with those long teeth and those long claws for digging, enjoying this meal. Yum, yum. And thank you for solving our first nature mystery.